So in GIMP, you can work around with paths, and to get familiar with path, let's start around with straight path. So over here, you can see that there's this icon right here, which is the path tool. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see that I got option right here. So we are in the design mode right now. Let me just go around and then choose polygonal right here because we're going to work around with straight path. So in straight path right here, if I were to click and click, you can see that I get straight path right here. And in order to close a path, I can go around and hold Control on my keyboard and click, and it's a complete closure of the path, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, you got straight line design right here, just like this. Then you can simply go around and then work around with this. So let me just go around and zoom in over here onto the T area. And if I want to trace this out, I can simply click and click right here, just like this. And you can see that there's a path. Then you can go around and click right here and click right here, just like this, and simply go around and click on the corners just like this to go around and trace this out. So once I do that, I can hold Control on the end and click on it, and there you go. That is the path, as you can see, just like this. So now you can go around onto edit mode and then edit this points as you like, as you can see right here. So you can go around and move this out right here, move this out right here. You can also go around over here and then move this out over here. You can go around and edit out the path, as you can see. If I were to go to move now, so if I were to go to move right now, then you can see that you can move around the path wherever you like, just like this. And that is what you have on the edit portion. You can see that you can go around and edit it, and then you can go around and move this out according to how you want right here. So this is what you can do. And if I were to go around and then fill out the path, then you can see that I can fill out a solid color over here, and there's another T just like this. We're going to look at all of these right here in detail as well. So this is how you can create a straight path inside of GIMP. So if I were to go around onto path right here, onto polygonal, onto edit just like this, then you can see that this is what you have right here. This so that is how you can create a straight path inside of GIMP. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.